Well, it's official. It's that time of year when the cherry blossoms start to bloom. And that means everybody likes to go down to the University of Washington to check out all the cherry blossom trees. And around here, they usually refer to it as the UW campus for University of Washington. And I'm going to be real with you guys. It's been probably raining every single day. So I have not actually gone to go check it out this year because of the rain. And I know what you're thinking. I live in Seattle. It rains all the time. Well, that's actually not true. It doesn't actually rain every day. But lately it's been raining. And in fact, I think we're about to have a really big thunderstorm, which usually we don't have those either. We don't usually have lightning and thunderstorms. We usually just have kind of like a light mist of a rain. But now they're telling me that there might be a tornado warning. So, wow, okay. But since today's video is going to be all about the cherry blossoms, I wanted to tell you that if you can't even make it down to where the University of Washington campus is, there's beauty all around you. So what I'm going to do is put a little video together to show you what I mean. Now, if you were just to go for a walk around the Seattle area, you'll probably see a lot of trees like this. You'll see all the blossoms start to fall and land on the ground there, which sometimes they might cover your car. You can see they make quite a mess, but they are pretty. Even walking by this dumpster, I happened to see one of these cherry blossom trees. They seem to be all over Seattle. Then just going for a drive in my car, you can see them here in the distance. Very beautiful. The pink definitely stands out. And I decided to leave in this little clip here of a squirrel I happened to come across. This squirrel seemed to find some tomato slices that were in that trash can right there. Looks like somebody didn't eat all of their Subway sandwich. And the squirrel got in the trash can and then leaped out and was eating it. And now we'll go for a nice little peaceful walk here through the park, and you'll see many, many of the cherry blossom trees. I'm going to leave some links below that give you some more information about going to see the University of Washington cherry blossoms. Enjoy!